Good morning, teachers and classmates. My story for today is The Crow and the Pitcher. There was once a clever crow who was quite thirsty. The crow had been searching for water for an hour, but all the ponds and streams were dry. The crow realized it needed to find the drinking of water quickly or it would perish as it grew weaker and weaker. Then one day, the crow stumbled upon a pitcher. Overjoyed, the crow swam to the pitcher to take a drink. However, when the crow peered inside it over that the water inside the pitcher was too low for its beak to reach. The pitcher was too heavy for the crow to move when it attempted to tip it over. The crow was determined to get a drink of water, so it began to think of a plan. The crow remembered seeing small pebbles in the nearby forest, and it had an idea. It flew over to where the pebbles and began picking them up one by one, dropping them into the pitcher. As the crow dropped each pebbles into the pitcher, the water level has rose a little bit more. Finally, after many pebbles were dropped into the pitcher, the water level has risen enough for the crow to take a drink. The crow was so happy and relieved that it let out a joyous caw. Then it took a long drink from the pitcher. Some other animals saw what the crow had done and were amazed at his cleverness. And from that day on, the crow knew that if it ever found itself in a similar situation, it would always remember the lesson it learned that day. The story serves as a reminder that if we are determined enough and are willing to think creatively and try different approaches, we can